Hi, my name is London Davenport and I'm an associate attorney at the Beer Law Center. I just wanted to talk to you today about selecting the right trademark for your business. So when you're selecting a trademark, you want to make sure that you pick a mark that is going to offer you the most protection with the USPTO against any potential infringers or challengers. So when you're selecting your mark, think about these 5 categories. There's generic, descriptive, suggestive, arbitrary, and fanciful trademarks. Generic, descriptive, and suggestive trademarks are not as strong as arbitrary and fanciful trademarks. So a generic trademark is a trademark that blatantly describes what the goods and services are that you are selling. So it's like if you were trying to trademark honeycomb while you're selling honeycombs. The trademark office is not going to let you do that because you would be able to then keep anyone else who is selling honeycomb from using the trademark honeycomb. And then the next category is descriptive marks. Descriptive marks are marks that describe with a little bit more specificity what your goods or services are, but they're still not very strong. That would be like trying to trademark sweet honeycomb while you're selling honeycomb. While you have that extra sweet in there, that's really just descriptive of the product, and it still would give you the power to prevent other people from registering honeycomb or honeycomb including any other adjective before it while they're trying to sell honeycomb. So they're not going to let you trademark that either. The next category is suggestive trademarks. Suggestive trademarks are marks that kind of hint at what your good or service is. And that would be like if you wanted to trademark honeycomb and you were selling beeswax candles. Now, that's a little bit better because it doesn't directly describe what you're selling. It's not as blatant as the generic or descriptive mark. So it's a little bit stronger and you probably have a better chance of registering that mark. But an even stronger mark is one that is arbitrary. An arbitrary mark is one that pretty much is unrelated entirely to the goods or services that you're selling. So that would be like trying to trademark honeycomb for office printers. Office printers and honeycomb have absolutely nothing to do with each other. So that's a much stronger mark, and the USPTO is much more likely to let you register honeycomb for office printers because it is arbitrary. The next and most strong category of trademarks are fanciful marks. Fanciful marks are marks that were created for the sole purpose of being a trademark, and before becoming a trademark, they didn't even exist. So that would be marks like Exxon, Xerox, and Kodak. So that's going to be the strongest mark. They have absolutely nothing to do with anything. They didn't exist before becoming a trademark, and they have the strongest ability to become a trademark that's protectable against any potential infringers or challengers with the USPTO. So if you have any comments or questions, make sure to reach us on Instagram or Facebook. Thank you.